Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I am Vashan Brown. Gas prices are going down tomorrow. 87 and 90 will sell for $3.01 less. Diesel will sell for $3.02 less. The price of ultra-low sulfur diesel will decrease by $3.04. Kerosene will go down by $3.02. Propane will decline by $2.96, while it will cost $2.95 less for butane. Now, Petrojam says the price movements this week were primarily as a result of a number of factors, including suppressed demand from China's lockdown of several cities and a drop in oil prices. Meanwhile, on the global market, crude prices tumbled for a third straight day, heading for their worst weekly loss since the COVID-19 pandemic. This is despite little progress in peace talks between Russia and Ukraine to boost geopolitical support for oil. Brent crude fell by $1.89 to settle at $98.02 per barrel. West Texas Intermediate settled down by $1.40, closing the session at $95.04 a barrel. TVJ News understands that National Commercial Bank NCB will be closing some of its branches. It's reported that the Oxford Road, Crossroads, Hagley Park Road and Washington Boulevard locations will cease operations effective May 6. However, the 24/7 bank-on-the-go areas and automated banking machines will remain at all of the locations except at Oxford Road. In St. Elizabeth, the Black River in-branch service will also be closed while retaining the bank-on-the-go area. The Junction branch, also in St. Elizabeth, will reintroduce limited in-branch cash services at the end of this month. The bank has recently indicated that it is now adopting a hub model as part of its restructuring exercise, which began in December. NCB has established 6 hubs across the island. Point-to-point inflation exceeded 10% as at February. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica, Statin, says the cost of goods and services for the 12 months to that point was 10.7%. Inflation continues to exceed the Bank of Jamaica's target range of 4 to 6%. This is the first time point-to-point inflation has exceeded 10.5% since December 2010. The increase was influenced mainly by the rising cost of food and non-alcoholic beverages, electricity, gas, and other fuels. Inflation for the month of February alone was 0.8%. It's costing an average $153.63 for the U.S. currency. $120.28 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, and $200.95 for the pound. Now the euro is trading at $171.96. The JC index declined by 1,159 points today, while the junior market index advanced by 8 points. The winners included Edufocal, JFP, Sterling Investments US dollar shares, Supreme Ventures, and Cargo Handlers. On the losing side were Everything Fresh, Key Insurance, Lumber Depot, Kingston Properties, and Berger Paints. And that's the Business Day. I am Vashan Brown. Have a good evening.